All many of us want from our government is protection from people who might hurt us. We pay taxes, we obey the law, we try to be good citizens. But our government sometimes lets us down. That's what happened on 9/11. Thousands of Americans woke up, went to work, and were murdered by terrorists who caught law enforcement by surprise. Now, after that, many of us woke up for good, but not all. For example, the city of San Francisco is completely out of control and now is directly responsible for the murders of 3 men. On June 22nd, Tony Bologna and his sons, Michael 20 and Matt 16, were shot to death after their car came close to another car driven by illegal alien felon Edwin Ramos. Police say Ramos, a 21-year-old from El Salvador, simply pulled out a gun, killed the men. Not surprising, since Ramos was arrested on a gun charge last March and had 2 other felony convictions. But San Franciscan authorities did not alert Homeland Security about Ramos because of the city's sanctuary policy, proudly proclaimed by Mayor Newsom.
We are standing up to say to all of our residents, we don't care what your status is in terms of its legal certification.
So 3 men are dead, and Newsom has now rescinded part of the sanctuary policy far too late for widow and mother Danielle Bologna.
Has there been any acknowledgement from Mayor Newsom or the city of San Francisco officials to you of the fact that had they simply reported this guy's deportation or illegal immigration status, your husband and sons might be alive today?
If they would have, I feel like they should have said something to me, definitely. And also, I have not spoken to the mayor at all in this incident, and it was a senseless crime. And had they done something, this animal would not have taken my family. I feel that the government should have stepped in. I feel that they allow these immigrants to come in, and how dare they strip our families like this. None of us should ever have to go through something like this. I never thought in a million years that I would be sitting here talking to you, nor having to bury 3 beautiful loved ones.
Now, how many times do we have to go through this? How many times? Mayor Newsom is partly responsible for the deaths of those 3 men. So are the city supervisors. So are the folks who continue to support Newsom and his far-left cadre. But we, the people, are also responsible for not demanding that the government protect us from harm. There's no way on this earth that millions of people should enter this country illegally. That is insane. Danielle Bologna is us. She's an American. Her life and the lives of her husband and sons were valuable and should have been protected. But they were not. And no one is taking responsibility. And that's a memo.